is perfectly fine. If you have no idea about the books you should lay your hands on to improve your English, I'm here to help you out. I've got the books with me. So if you are a complete beginner with no idea about books and you are really serious about improving your communication, your skills, you may consider starting out with these books. So why I'm suggesting you, why I'm recommending these books, because these books are easy to read. You will find very simple sentences in these books, you will find simple words, or you won't feel any need to check out online offline dictionaries. So let's get started. Number one on the list is this: Screw It, Let's Do It by Richard Branson. It's a little book, and let me read one para from this book for you. This is from this book, all of his advice was helpful when I had to talk to officials. Safety was a big concern. Making sure the airline was well funded was another. I worked out a cash flow survival plan. I hired the right people. I got a good team. I stuck to it. I wouldn't take no for an answer. I found other ways around problems, and believe me, there were endless problems. So the book has very short sentences and very simple words. Screw it, let's do it. Now, second book that I have here for the beginners is this: Alchemist. Alchemist is a beautiful story of Santiago, the shepherd boy. The book is about following your heart, chasing your dreams. And let me read one para also from this book. Okay. He was so ashamed that he wanted to cry. He had never even wept in front of his own sheep, but the marketplace was empty, and so he wept. He wept because God was unfair, and because this was the way God repaid those who believed in their dreams. See, simple words, short sentences, easy English. Then third on the list is this: Tuesdays with Maury. Then you may also consider getting this book. Okay. Connect the Dots by Rashmi Bansal. It's got real life stories of people who had no fancy degrees, no business education, and they still believed in their dreams and they still made it big in their lives. Should I read something from this book? Okay, this. If you want to start a business, I would say find out something which is not available and which people want. A hunger, a need for any service or product. Then go out to satisfy the need in the best way possible. Connect the dots, huh? And then you may also like to get your hands on this book, Shubhto Bagchi. He's the writer, and the book is this: MBA at 16. Again, a tiny book, and it's got very simple words, very simple sentences. So these are the books you can start out with if you are really serious about English. You want to improve the language, improve the way you express yourself. If you really are serious about this language, if you really feel having a good command over this language can help you with your career, with your personal professional life, you can start out with these books. If you have any questions, any queries, anything up on your mind, let me know in the comments below. And thank you very much for your time. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay awesome. Bye.